my church will be another Jumadi so or Ayehu TV. Make sure say over like your videos so over share a day among essence mobile meta say the anachese makobua and some na ahodona ano and I may be ever dum a tearful no who said ye omamugana esifa echo ever. Now another idea ye bo ewram the anachese ye the ensemni every court and by yenitia elections are a course so ewo Ghana ha nachase and 70 etimi akopiem e commercial statum na yenkotie.
Yes, I'm being led by Dr. Aziz Bamba Bassett Osafo Boabe and Marietta Brew appear.
Good. First interested party.
May it please my lords, Justin Amenuvo appears for the first interested party with me. With me is Hope Aguado. Hope Aguado.
Yes.
Gary Nimakon Mafu. Gary Nimakon Mafu. My lords, with me are.
Whom do you appear for?
For the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh interested parties. My lords, I appear with Dr. Kweku Ajiman Budu, Budu. Dr. Kweku Ajiman Budu.
Yes, applicants.
My lords, we have a preliminary legal objection to the propriety of the application. And we pray that we take that one first.
Since you didn't file it, give us an idea, say that we'll see whether we want to take you down formally.
Very well. My lords, this application was mounted on Rule 61 1 of CI 19 as amended by CI 124. CI 16. No, 124. And my lords, because of signature, the applicant is mandated. To file the decision. With application. It's mandated. With the decision.
Yes, any second ground?
My lord.
Also, this is a point you have made which is well known. The rules say so, not
Yes.
so.
And they did not file
That's right.
it with a decision.
Okay.
My lord, in the case of...
Oh no, I said, is there a second
only one
ground?
point.
That's the ground.
Only 1 point, yes.
No, I think having regard to this is a matter that we have. If the decision is available, we normally prefer to determine it on the merits.
Pelos.
No, what does since the decision is before the court, or determine the application on the merits, having regard to the nature of the case. So I think
Because
no, you see, we don't want to drag on matters which are trite. You have a point, you have made it, but the court has, you have mentioned non-compliance with the rule.
Yes.
And the court has power to waive it. And the court has waived it and said, since the decision is before the court, let's hear the application on the merits. And you have done it. You have argued on the merits.
My Lord, this court has taken the decision. Let's for example.
Do you have a supplementary affidavit?
Yes. Yes. Yes, we don't have it. And this court made a decision on this particular Papalapo and indicated that you cannot even file supplementary affidavit. You cannot file it. Let alone to exhibit it. You cannot file it. You cannot file it, my lord. It is here. It is here.
Counsel, you have pointed out non-compliance. We have waived it because the decision is before the court.
Very well.
I want to hear the application on the merits.
My lords, we have before you an application invoking the supervisory jurisdiction of this honorable court. My lord,
Yeah, our recording system is working, so we don't have to write everything verbatim.
grateful. My lords, I move in terms of the motion paper, the grounds set out in the motion paper, the affidavit in support, my lord, the supplementary affidavit in support, the statement of case, and the exhibits annexed to the application. My lords, our ground for this application is that the order made the orders made by the High Court were made in breach of the applicant's rights to be heard. But the further ground is that the trial judge demonstrated apparent bias and partiality. 3, that there was a non-jurisdictional error of law by failing to exercise the court's powers under Order 55, Rule 5(2) of CI 47 to direct second to sixth interested parties to serve the mandamus application on the applicants who have interest in the subject of the dispute. And finally, error of law apparent on the face of the record, which error of law occasioned a substantial miscarriage of justice to the applicants.